Alright, class. So yesterday we added and subtracted using large numbers. So today we are going to put that into real life situations and we are going to talk about money. So why is money important?
Because you need to buy stuff with.
Because you can buy a dog.
True, you can buy a dog with money. You guys are both right. So first off, we're going to talk about coins. Does anybody know which one is the penny?
The brown one.
Yeah, what she said.
Right, that one is the penny. Alright, which one is going to be the nickel?
The one on the top right.
What do you think, Abby?
I think so too.
Right, that is the nickel. Okay, so next one, dime. Which one would that be?
That's the little, it's the little one. So this one, the bottom left.
No, I think it's this one.
Alright, so the dime is actually in the bottom left. So that leaves the biggest coin, the one that you just picked up, that is going to be your quarter. Alright, so now that we know the names of the coins, we are going to talk about their value. So, how many cents do you think a penny is worth?
5 cents.
3 cents.
Alright, so the penny is actually going to be worth 1 cent. And if you look at your penny on the table and you flip it on the side without the head on it, it actually will tell you 1 cent.
Whoa.
Oh, I see it.
Alright,
so how much do you think a nickel is worth, knowing how we can look at it on a coin?
It says the nickel's worth 5 cents.
Right, the nickel is worth 5 cents. So how much is the dime worth? Abby, do you know?
I think it's 10 cents.
Right, it is 10 cents.
Mrs. Bland, it doesn't say on the back of the dime though.
Let's see here. On the back of the dime, it doesn't. Alright, so the dime is going to be 10 cents, which leaves the quarter, your biggest coin, being worth the most. Which, how many is that? How many cents is a quarter worth?
25 cents.
Abby?
25 cents.
Right. Alright, so now let's move on and talk about bills. So the smallest bill is going to be the $1 bill. It is worth 100 cents. So if the dollar bill is worth 100 cents and a penny is worth 1 cent, how many pennies do you think are in a dollar?
100.
100.
Right, there are 100 pennies in a dollar. So with the dollar being 100 cents and a quarter, how much is a quarter worth again?
25 cents.
Alright, so with a quarter being worth 25 cents, how many quarters are in a dollar?
Just 4.
Abby? What do you
4.
Right, there are 4 quarters in a dollar. Alright, so now that we have talked about the dollar bill, we'll move on to the higher bills tomorrow. But first we're going to go on and talk about our worksheets. So the first worksheet that you guys have there is going to be a pair of pairs. So your first pair is going to have the picture of the coin, and your second pair is going to be how much is in the first pair. You're going to fill in that second pair with the amount that you think is in that first pair.
Should we ask a question? Mrs. Bland, this one has 2 pennies. So do I put it as 1 cent or do I add them together?
You would add them together. So how much would that be worth?
2 pennies is 2 cents.
Right. Abby, how are you doing?
I'm doing pretty good.
All right, make sure that you remember that a nickel is only worth 5, okay?
Oh, okay. Sorry.
Okay, I'm done.
All right, let me see. Looks good. Abby, how are you doing?
I think I'm done too.
All right, let's see here. You are done. Nice job, guys. All right, so next, your worksheet is going to be, can you buy it? So it's going to show you a picture of your toy on the left side, and then it's going to show you how much money, coin-wise and bill-wise, you have next to that picture, and then you're going to add up those coins or those bills and see if you can afford how much the toy is. So on your very first one, it has a picture of the little race car, okay? And it says it's worth $1.50. And in your picture, you have 4 quarters and 2 dimes. So do you have enough money?
Miss Bland, how much did you say the dime was worth?
The dime is going to be worth 10 cents.
Okay.
I know.
Do you have enough money?
I don't think so.
How much money did you add up?
With the 4 quarters and 2 dimes, it's $1.20. So that's not enough.
Right, you can't afford the car. All right, so go ahead and move on to your next problem.
I'm done.
All right, they are all correct. Seems like you couldn't afford very many of them, Abby, huh?
No, I need more money.
All right, Troy, and you are correct as well. So that is going to be all we talk about with money-wise today. And tomorrow we will talk about larger bills and how smaller bills fit into those larger bills. All right.